serious burst of energy here. And you know why? There's a serious rapper in town. And who's the rapper? So who's the rapper here?
I don't know.
No?
I only know Yo-Yo Honey Singh. I'm not a rapper. I'm a very non-serious rapper. Only serious rapper is Jojo Honey Singh. Jojo, tu meri jaan hai Jojo. I love Yo-Yo, man.
Yeah.
What a guy.
Did you take a lot of practice? Because, you know, rapping might sound easy. But, I mean, you were like this pro, like, you know.
No. I'm not a pro at all. I'm a real amateur. I thought I got very ahead of myself, admittedly, when I tried to rap in that song in Ladies vs. Ricky Well and Aadat Se Majboor briefly, and it fell flat on its face. So, so I do it sometimes, but I'm not good. I just try my best, and something decent enough comes out. But I think my friend Karan, who is also directing the ad, he made a kick-ass track for it, so it became easy. But this subject, I think, was all the material was there inside me, you know, just waiting to come out. So I wrote it really quick. This is probably the fastest I've come up with anything, and just spat it out. Yeah, I love it. This feeling, it's crazy. ये क्या नशा है? क्यों ज़ालिम ज़माना कहे मोहब्बत एक सज़ा है? बारिश को गिरने दो, खुद को मैं रोक न पाता. गलियों में फिरने दो, हाथ में लेके खुशियों का छाता.
Is this the thing?
You like it? खुशियों का छाता.
Yeah. That's
What is the खुशियों का छाता?
Considering this is a condom ad,
But you can't say it on national television.
I can say condom on national television.
You can say condom.
Okay. On that note, so now you can collaborate with Priyanka. You know, she does this cool songs. Now they are rapping. Probably one day we'll see Ranveer doing some collaboration.
How much I've told her?
You-
How much I've
you
told her? Yeah, of course. मैं तो कब से fielding कर रहा हूँ.
But she doesn't trust you, is it?
This is a reaction. You should do. Okay, we'll act it out for everybody. So we are on Gunde Promotions, and I'm fully fielding at this point because she's making some new track. So you have to say, PC मेरे को तू ना अपने track में rapper ले ले. You have to say.
PC, तू ना मेरे को अपनी ट्रैक में रैपर ले ले.
As if.
Yeah. But I think maybe after this ad.
बहुत attitude देती.
But after this ad, probably. अब तो अच्छा लग रहा है
I
ना?
think so.
है ना?
I think so.
Okay. Also, you know, when you do an ad like that, we've seen condom ads on television, you know, whatever that comes. There's always this track where there's this girl, and you get this one ad which is completely, you know, different. It shows the life of a star, and you're happy because you obviously had great sex,
See,
correct?
that's the idea, na? When great sex moves you, which invariably great sex will, because it's a complete physiological reaction, no, of just a burst of endorphins and happiness and positivity. So that's what we've tried to portray in the narrative of this ad. Is a day in my life where it starts with you know, great sex, and then I have just a fantastic day after that. So we came up, and they actually the creatives came up. They came up with that when you have great sex, you do the Rex. Yeah, so the Rex being this signature dance move,
Sure.
which you saw.
Yeah, which I did, which I quite liked.
Yeah, you know that.
Yeah.
It's nice, huh?
It is.
Catchy hai.
Huh, it's quite catchy. Also, you know, you after Ram Leela, everybody was talking about the sizzling chemistry that you had. Your toned six-pack abs. So is that going to be here in this ad? Obviously, since you are, women are going kind of gaga over
कहाँ
all
गए?
the sizzling.
कहाँ गए सिक्स पैक? मेरे 6 बच्चे घूम गए. मोटापे के मेले में मेरे 6 के बच्चे घूम गए. बट आई एम कमिंग बैक. मेरे को डेंगू हो गया था ना बीच में, तो बॉडी थोड़ी उतर गई थी. स्ट्रेंथ, स्टैमिना, यू लूज ऑल दैट व्हेन यू गेट अ सीरियस इलनेस लाइक दैट. माइन वाज डैम बैड. द डॉक्टर सेड द ओनली रीजन यू वर एबल टू मेक इट and make it out so fast was because you came into it like super fit. पर फिर सब उतर गई. So then 6 months I was out of the gym. But now slowly I'm getting back. It's coming back. See, touch.
Oh yeah, it is. It's strong. Yeah, it's
See,
strong.
देखो abs सिर्फ इन जनाब के बचे हैं.
Like you see, he's in quite the mood.
What's up, buddy? How's it hanging?
Track.
नटखट. आपको abs देखने थे ना? इनके देखिए.
नहीं देख लिए.
1, 2, 3.
I think we're going to bring it back to track. I've seen enough abs now. But do you enjoy being this sex symbol after Ramlila? Do you enjoy getting all the attention?
Yeah, I love it. I used to be a fat kid, no? Like till 14, no girl used to look at me. So now that I get all this attention, it feels damn good.
Yeah. And you are always uninhibited, yeah? You don't have to behave in a certain manner or act like this. You're always like that with the same kind of...
Yeah, I don't subscribe to societal protocols
Yeah.
and things that people have decided are right or wrong.
Correct.
This is called good manners. This is called bad manners. I think if you're genuinely a nice person, you don't harm anyone, you don't hurt anyone. There's nothing wrong in wanting to have fun and enjoy life.
Okay, usually, you see like a couple or anybody endorsing a brand. If there's one female face that you would like to share the platform with on this particular, on your brand endorsement, who would that female person be and why?
As in?
As in, like, for example, there's, let's say, there's an Anushka or Virat doing one particular ad. Anybody. So if you get a chance and if you would want a female, you'll have to do someday, like from Bollywood, any celebrity whom you'd like to being, co-partner with on a ad for the condom that you're doing.
I would actually like to partner with Arjun Kapoor.
Of course, yeah, Baba.
Baba should do an ad together, Baba.
Yeah?
What is this, Baba? Gunde becomes a hit, we don't do an ad yet. What is this, Baba? Make an announcement soon, Baba. What are you doing? You're wearing chinos. You're like Kancha Chino. That's Arjun Kapoor's next role. He's in Agnipath 2. Kancha China ka beta, Kancha Chino.
But
I
I
miss you, Baba. I miss you. Where are you gone for my life?
इतने प्यार से तो किसी का नहीं बोला होगा ना. But I think he's a little shy to do it. No, you think so?
What?
I mean, to endorse condoms.
He's not shy at all. He's the number one. Anyway, I can't even get into it. Badmash number one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So don't go on that sweet, innocent smile of his.
Okay. On that note, we're going to end it by asking you, if one day, if you see yourself doing, like at the moment it is condoms, if there's something else that you want to endorse someday, what would that put in? It doesn't have to be a brand, it can be a product or anything that you want to endorse someday.
I think it's great that I'm really happy that I started with a condom brand. Nobody else does it. And it's the only product that should be endorsed. Such a great product. It's a contraceptive. It prevents sexually transmitted diseases. It prevents against, HIV and other really, really unwanted pregnancies and whatnot. So I'm glad I made a good choice.
Quite a long time back in Coffee with Karan, both Sonam and Deepika said that we'd like to gift to Ranveer Kapoor the condoms. So can now everybody go and say, now we can gift it to Ranveer Singh?
See, मेरे को तो फ्री आता है तो मैं तो किसी को भी भेज सकता हूँ. मेरे घर पे तो कार्टन पे कार्टन पड़े हैं ट्यूएक्स के.
तो किसी और को भी देना चाहेंगे जिसको आपको लगता है कि जरूरत है? अर्जुन तो बोल दिया आपने.
उसको सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है.
और किसी को बिल्कुल ज़रूरत नहीं.
उसको बहुत सख्त ज़रूरत है.
मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. There's a lot of things happening here at the moment, and like he says, सबको बहुत सारी चीज़ों की ज़रूरत है. Thank you so much, Ranveer. This was great
My
fun.
लाडला, my baby boy, कांचा चीनो, गाने हिट हो गए भाई के.
Okay, so now there's this serious bromance that continues even after Gunde, and you see the love is inexhaustible, and so is the brand here. Thank you so much, Ranveer, to Rani Chatraju with camera person Amol Zoom Mumbai. Thank you.
लज्जा के लेना. लज्जा के लेना.